The Kuala Lumpur Bird Park houses more than 3,000 birds representing more than 200 species in an enclosed aviary. It is the world's largest covered bird park. That means the birds can fly freely around the park. This is an extraordinary feature which resemble their natural habitat. With this type of free flight concept, the birds are able to breed naturally in this unique concept bird park. It is lovely to see the birds flying so freely from tree to tree. The bird park is about 10 minutes away from the Kuala Lumpur city centre. As you enter the bird park, you will be greeted by lovely peacocks and parrots with their brightly coloured feathers. We were able to see plenty of different bird species including eagles, owls, peacocks, flamingos, pigeons, etc. Many of the birds were feeding on the papaya slices arranged for them on the branches. There are a lot of scenic rest spots for picnics that are scattered through the park. There is a refreshment kiosk as well in the park where you can buy ice cream, a drink, or food for the fishes. The hornbills at the park are really photogenic. They are not so frightened and will mostly wait till you have a picture taken. You can also feed the birds at their specific feeding times. Or feed the fishes throughout the day. Just buy the fish food. There is a children's playground, jogging tracks, exercise stations, rowing boats, amphitheatre, and a lot more in the bird park. You will enjoy strolling through the park along the maze of walkways amidst greenery. There are also daily bird shows taking place at the amphitheatre at 12:30 pm and 3:30 pm daily. You can have a wonderful day watching colourful sights and melodic sounds of the birds while enjoying a walk in the naturally beautiful landscapes of the park. At the park, to prevent the birds to get together, they have several lock-through gates. The egg incubation room and nursery is also a good experience to see how chicken eggs are artificially incubated using incubators. There are informative placards all across the park to give you more education on the types of birds that you're seeing, the species, where they are found, etc. This is the flamingo pond. You can also take photographs with the different species of birds at the photo booth. Please subscribe to our channel for travel updates and follow us on social media.